we talk about how can you edit the call on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next here, then all you have to do now, you just click here on calls here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here, then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on call decline messages, click on here on edit call decline messages. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you edit in this list here on your Truecaller app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.